Do you want to get better at Minecraft PvP? Then you have come to the right video. In this video, I will be showing you how to download TheoBaldTheBird map to practice your PvP skills. Firstly, go on your browser of preference, mine is Google, type in TheoBaldTheBird map. Click on the first thing that pops up, scroll down, and then you'll see these two mods over here, HeroBot and Fabric API. If you don't know how to download mods, just go to my other video, there will be link in the description. Watch that video and come back to this other video. And then just download these two mods. Fabric API the version that you want, which needs to be 1.2 and 1.11. 11. Download these. If you want to just leave a tip for the creator, who is the TheoBaldTheBird, name a price. I'm broke, so I can't leave it in tips. Do purchase again. Just type in your email address and then press get. It will send you to this link, which you can just press download, and the map will start downloading. Come to your Minecraft launcher, click on installations, the version you want to play, and it should be modded. Click on the files, scroll down until you find saves, and then double click. Get the map that you have downloaded, which is this. Drag it down to over here, and then we need to extract this as well. Just click on extract on, and then say extract. After the extracts, we will be good to go. And then go back, scroll a bit up until you find mods, double click, and then just drag the mods that we have downloaded onto this file. Close this file, click play. After Minecraft Line, just press on single player, and your map will be automatically over here. Click play, and now guys, you can enjoy the beauty of TheoBaldTheBird's map. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm really trying to get 1,000 subscribers before the year ends. That would really help me. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you.